This is going to be my project for today. I have my favorite Levi's and I'm going to customize them. I think I'm going to do splatters and then of course the Burner Boy logo. This is my mixture that I made about a week ago. I believe that bleach and the cornstarch separation, I'm not sure how well it's going to work, but we're going to try it. So yeah, stay tuned. Right, so here's the Burner Boy logo, and then this is the Cricket Joy that I'm using, and this is a decal kind of vinyl. So the adhesive, after I take it off, the negative, everything that I want there is going to be the positive, and that will be essentially what I use to do the stencil. So yeah, once my stencils are done printing, then I'm going to cut them, I'll separate them, and then I'm going to step outside and I'll get all this stuff kind of situated. Alright, so here's step one. Just put some soft scrub, kind of splattered all over. I'm gonna let these sit. Little blemish here, it's gonna be alright. I'll let these sit for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come check on them. I'll probably rinse them out, give a quick dry, and then I'm gonna apply the stencils. Then we'll go from there. I just got done rinsing them. I washed them, put them in the dryer. So now that the splatter and the splash and everything is there, I'm gonna set the stencils, take them outside, and then apply some more bleach. So jeans, and I got my stencils in place. Then I also have my bleach cornstarch mixture, and then I also have my just kind of sponge. So I'm gonna go outside, get this set up, and then I'm gonna get it applied. And after I apply it, then I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Then I'll take the stencils off. I'm gonna put 2 more right here at the bottom, and then we'll see how it starts to develop from there. I'm going to rinse them, and then I'll dry them again. And after that, then I think I'm gonna add some stones to them as well, and we'll check out the final look. Stay tuned. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm gonna let these set for a bit, and then come back and we'll take the stencils off and see how they did. And I'm curious to see how the mixture holds up since it's been a bit. I actually added some more cornstarch to the mix. It looks like it kind of thickened it up. And then I applied some more to them. So I had them outside. It was a little too windy. Wish I could just use the sun for the natural effect developing, but I'm going to just let them chill here for a bit. It's 5:06, so I'll say about 5:16 or maybe 5:26 or so. I'm gonna check on them. So stay tuned. All right, so I took the stencils off. This is how they kind of came out. I'm not sure if it's gonna stick or not, but I mean, it's there. So this is the process. I have the other 2 set as well. I'm gonna get those painted up, and then I'll let those develop too. So it's the last 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're just gonna let these sit and develop. And after that, remove the stencil. We'll get them rinsed off and dried, and then we'll see how they develop. So all right, so I just got done with the bottom 2, the last 2. What I'm going to do is get them rinsed and dried. After that, I will show you guys what they look like before I add the stones. So stay tuned. All right, so I actually have the jeans washing. I had rinsed them, and none of the color or none of the bleach actually like stuck. So luckily I still have the stencils. What I'm going to do after they're done drying off, I'm going to reapply the stencils. I'm gonna lay some towels out, and then I actually have, this is just bleach. So this was kind of one of the first methods that I tried a while back. I don't know if because of the solution that I used was just, maybe it's just one time use, at like once you make it then you use it type deal, but this should be foolproof and it should be a lot faster. It should develop a lot quicker. So I still have the stencils. I'm gonna get some towels to kind of put around the areas where I don't want any of the bleach to hit, and then after that we should see what it looks like. So stay tuned. All right, quick little update. They're dried. As you can see, none of the actual bleach held, so I'm actually going to just do some soft scrub. I feel like it's going to be the easiest, and that's actually what I did for the splotches. So I'm going to get my mixture, get it put on, and then we're going to let it wait and develop for 10 minutes, and we'll see how that goes. So all right, so already it's already starting to look better. So I'm going to let these develop for 10 minutes, and then I'll come and I'll take the stencils off, hit the last two, and then rinse them again and check them out, see how they are. So I'm already liking how it's developing now, so stay tuned. Alright, so got all my stencils on. This is looking a lot cleaner than previous, so yeah, gonna keep letting it develop, and then like I said, I'll get it rinsed up, washed, dry them, and then if I have enough time, since I'm doing this before work, I'll apply some stones. So keep you posted. I just got done, and this is the final look. I like the way this came out, and this is the soft scrub. I didn't have a stencil for that, but still.